Finally, here we have the first hands-on video of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. New images and a short video shared on leaks on Twitter/X reveal alleged dummy units of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. While these units don't power on, they still give us a very clear idea of what Samsung's next Ultra flagship will look like in terms of hardware design. At first glance, the Galaxy S26 Ultra looks almost identical to last year's Galaxy S25 Ultra, keeping the same rounded corners and overall shape. However, the big change is the camera module, which now looks very similar to the camera bump found on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The three main camera lenses sit on a small raised island that stands out from the rest of the back panel. And based on this first look, it's already clear that a familiar issue may be getting worse. For years, Samsung's decision to place the camera bump toward the far left side has caused its phones to wobble when placed on a flat surface. While this isn't unique to Samsung, the double-layered camera bump seen on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 made the problem much more noticeable. As Droid Life jokingly pointed out earlier, the Fold 7 can wobble so much that it feels like an old-school telegraph when tapping it on a table. Now that Samsung appears to be bringing a similar camera design to the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and possibly the rest of the S26 lineup, this wobble issue could become even more annoying. The larger camera bump is likely the result of Samsung aiming for a thinner phone body this year. In the leaked video, you can clearly see how far the new camera module sticks out from the back of the device, making the imbalance obvious. Of course, using a case of the right thickness can mostly fix this. But for users who prefer going caseless, using a skin, or choosing a very thin case on an already large phone, this design choice could be frustrating. It's not likely to be a deal breaker, but it's definitely one of those small annoyances you'll notice whenever the phone is. The Galaxy S26 series is expected to launch in February. Alright guys, that's our first real look at the Galaxy S26 Ultra design, and yes, that camera bump is already raising some questions. Let me know in the comments if this wobble would bother you or if a case makes it a non-issue for you. As always, I'll keep you updated with more leaks and hands-on details as they surface. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.